If you are going to the gym consistently, the only true way to work out is following science and being extremely strict with science-based methods. Is what I would say if I didn't know what I was talking about. Guys, the gym is not just about the perfect hypertrophy. A lot of folks, me included for the most part, just love going to the gym. Yes, it's true that uh, going to failure for most sets is going to give you the best results. However, if you want to do a drop set because you find it fun or anything else, you can do that damn drop set. And whoever starts complaining about it, they're a fucking idiot and they don't know what they are talking about. Listen, if you don't find the gym fun at all, you might not even stick to it. The truth is, yes, you can just push through it, but if you can find a way to enjoy it, it's gonna be a much easier life to maintain and make progress in. I don't understand why people don't understand that just because you can follow science and science only, science-based things and studies and whatever else, to use that and implement it in your lifting journey, that doesn't mean that it has to be the only way. You can still build a lot of muscle and a great physique and still have fun while doing more of the pro science so-called things, such as, like I said, drop sets, even assisted reps after failure. Oh, but you know, it's gonna just increase your fatigue without really any extra benefit. Shut the fuck up. I don't care. It's fun. And if it's fun, I'm gonna fucking do it. Look, high volume as well. You can just easily get away with doing less sets to failure, workout after workout, and make fantastic results, which means that you do not need to do more sets than you fucking have to. However, if you like training for longer and you just like high volume, then do high volume. It doesn't matter. To build a great physique and increase your strength and whatever else, you do not need to only focus on the training part. You focus on your sleep, focus on your food, focus on your recovery. There are a lot more factors that come into play than just perfecting your training. Now, if you want to be a professional bodybuilder or something like that, and you do not want to waste any seconds doing things are unnecessary, then yes, then it makes sense to follow what the research has shown and try to perfect as many things as you can. However, if you are not having such plans, then you don't need to then you do not need to do that. I don't get how is it so hard for people to understand it? Just because there is one extreme that you don't want to follow doesn't mean that you have to follow the complete opposite. There's a reason why they are at different ends of the spectrum, because there's a whole spectrum to be on, and to simply choose things from. Stop focusing on the things that really don't matter at the end of the day and get fucking jacked.